Hi, it's Rio Cloud Sync. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I've been on annual leave, taking a break from the Microsoft world. However, I'm back today and we'll be looking at Microsoft Entra tenant authentication availability. Let's first look at the current SLA associated with the Azure AD services, i.e. Microsoft Entra. Generally speaking, it is 4 nines worth of SLA. If we go into the Microsoft Online Services and Plans, listed under Azure Active Directory, we can see the associated service level agreement and the way they calculate the downtime credits. If you scroll down, you'll see under service credit, generally speaking, it's 99.99%. And then it breaks it down through the percentage and the associated service credit. Microsoft have always found it difficult to provide end users the visibility on their current authentication availability across their stack, of which now Microsoft have introduced the monitoring and health pane, in which it provides you the availability across your workloads for your tenant, broke down by each month. Azure AD isn't just measured in a way that reflects your customer authentication. It reports. It doesn't just report on the standard disconnections. It looks at users who can authenticate through the different means, and also Azure AD can provide you insights into the long-lived tokens. So what we'll do, we'll minimize this, and we'll come into the Microsoft Entra portal, which is entra.microsoft.com. First things first, you want to click Identity, you want to press Show More. We can go to Monitoring and Health, we can scroll down, and we can see Health Brackets Preview. This feature is currently in public preview, so it is deemed to change at some point prior to it going into global availability. However, if we do click in Health Preview, it will show us like SLA attainment, provide us a report on our authentication availability breakdown per month. We'll give this a couple of minutes just to load up. Give it a slight refresh. And there we go. We can see the SLA breakdown by each month from August 2022 to July 2023. As and when Microsoft catches up with its current availability rate, the dashboard will update automatically. And of course, we can see generally our SLA attainment range from 99 to 100. And if we hover over, we can see we've actually got 5 nines. So we're achieving above the standardized rate of the 4 nines we would usually expect. Why are we exceeding the 4 nines? Well, Microsoft have, of course, introduced the long-lived tokens. The session tokens we can all see via running the dsreg command /status and command prompt, of which long-lived tokens remain active for 14 days after any authentication, and with that they can cache. Okay, so off the back of their cache session, they can pick up from where they left off, of which the availability remains active and the same. We can actually view our authentication through different months as well if we scroll down. And we can see the associated SLA attainment. Once again, this is just a high-level dashboard. We can also click on this doc here, which will take you to the SLA Performance Microsoft doc, and within there will be the Microsoft Online Services agreement form, and you can see the granular details regarding the SLA. If we want to look into the cached authentication, i.e. the long-lived tokens, the Azure AD backup auth or Entra backup auth, then what we can do, we can go to Monitoring and Health, we can click Sign in Logs. We can see our sign-in logs. This is a sandbox environment, a tester environment. There's not going to be much authentication, only as and when I'm testing or making a video. However, principle remains the same. What we can do, we'll filter by date and time. We can go back, i.e. last 7 days. We can add a filter. we can scroll down to where it says, bear with us, token issuer name, I believe. No, wrong one. Token issue type. And we can click Azure AD backup auth, and we can see a few other authentications or issuer types here. But backup auth is the one you want in terms of cached long-lived tokens. And with that, we can select save, and with that, that'll filter through the sign logs. But as per this test demo, there's not going to be much authentication. I wouldn't expect to see any long-lived tokens on this tenancy. However, this is where you would see those logs. And this was just a quick video today just to show you the use case of the monitoring health pane. Within that, the authentication availability service Microsoft now provides, which is currently in public preview, and we expect to be GA by end of year. I will start to create more videos throughout the coming weeks. I have just returned back from holiday, so just trying to collect some ideas. And with that, I'm more than happy for you to comment on my post and give me some ideas, brainstorm, so I can keep these videos rolling. Thank you very much.